Hi, I'm Steve England with File on Q, and I want to show you how you can use the portable RFID reader to make sure that a squad car would be properly provisioned and equipped with all of the items that you need for that. And so with this reader, I can scan inside of the patrol car here to make sure that all of the items that are supposed to be in here before my shift are indeed in there. And it looks like I've got something that's missing here, so we'll show you how you can search for an item, an individual item, using this as well. So you can actually use this to locate a specific item. And so what we do is we just pull the trigger and we look for Zippy, and as Zippy gets closer and closer, we can see Zippy here, and indeed we found Zippy, and I can now make sure that I put Zippy back in the car with me so that we can ride along on patrol with me there. And so that's how you use one of these portable units to make sure that everything is provisioned in your vehicle before you go out on patrol.